We hear it all the time. We're running out of water, rivers are drying up, lakes are shrinking, and cities like Cape Town, Chennai, and Sao Paulo have come terrifyingly close to their own day zero. But is Earth really going dry, or are we just managing it all wrong? First, let's be clear. Water scarcity is real, but it's not as simple as the taps going dry because the planet is out of H2O. Earth has an enormous amount of water. 70% of its surface is covered in it, but only 2.5% is fresh water. And most of that, it's locked away in glaciers or buried deep underground. The lakes and rivers we actually use, they make up a microscopic fraction of the total. But here's the twist. Water doesn't disappear. Thanks to the hydrologic cycle, it moves, evaporates, falls, and flows over and over. So why do we feel like we're running out? Because water isn't always where we need it, when we need it. It's not evenly distributed. Canada has lakes for days, meanwhile countries in the Middle East are desperate for a drop. And even within nations, seasonal droughts, floods, and failing infrastructure make usable water unreliable. Now, let's talk about what's really driving scarcity. Population growth. More people means more demand for drinking water, food, energy, and sanitation. Agriculture. It eats up about 70% of our fresh water, often through inefficient methods like flood irrigation. Pollution. We're not just losing water, we're poisoning it. Runoff from farms, untreated sewage, industrial waste, all of it renders usable water undrinkable. Climate change. It messes with rainfall patterns, evaporates surface water faster, and melts the glaciers feeding major rivers. And infrastructure, or rather, the lack of it. Millions live near rivers or aquifers but can't access clean water because of broken or missing systems. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a global emergency. In the MENA region, 83% of people live under extreme water stress. India's groundwater is vanishing. Lake Mead in the US is at historic lows. And across sub-Saharan Africa, the issue isn't always water supply, it's getting it to people. And the consequences? They're brutal. Ecosystems collapse, rivers dry out, wetlands vanish, biodiversity craters. Kind of economies suffer, crops fail, factories slow, entire sectors grind to a halt. And conflict escalates, from community fights over wells to geopolitical tensions over shared rivers. Public health declines, sanitation breaks down, waterborne disease spreads. But there's another side to this story. Because this is solvable, we have solutions. Integrated water management that balances the needs of people, nature, and industry. Smarter farming, drip irrigation, less water-intensive crops, and tech to monitor usage. Recycling wastewater, yes, even for drinking. Singapore's doing it, so is Israel. Desalination for coastal regions, powered by renewables to avoid a new energy problem. Rainwater harvesting, aquifer recharge, and wetlands restoration. It's pricing water properly to reduce waste and investing in leak-proof infrastructure, community education, and global cooperation. Because rivers don't respect borders. Still, though, the narrative matters. Saying we're running out of water grabs attention, but it misses the mark. We're not running out, we're wasting it, polluting it, mismanaging it. And experts agree, the crisis isn't about quantity, it's about distribution, governance, and equity. We have the same water the dinosaurs had. What we don't have is time to keep getting this wrong. So yes, water scarcity is real, but so is our ability to fix it. We just have to move. Now, if you want us to dive deeper into any of these solutions or explore other climate topics, let us know in the comments. And if this made you think differently about your next glass of water, share it, because awareness is step one toward change. Thanks for watching.